Stoke City vs Tottenham Hotspurs 11th of the 12th 2011 Sal Mackenzie. Author D. Salzo Mackenzie. My tip: win for Tottenham. This is a duel two teams, which was celebrated in the last two rounds of the English Premiership victories, therefore they will have the opportunity now around with a possible triumph in this small derby of the 15th rounds, improving their table placing. This refers primarily to the guests from London who have come onto the high third place according to the unbelievable series of 6 victories behind each other, while their opponents occupy the very good 8th position with 13 points of Stoke less at the moment. You have by the way measured the strengths and, to be more precise, in the context of the Carling Cup in this season, when Stoke has celebrated only after the penalty kick the Traceber for the last 3 championship match has made up in the favour of his own lasting. The beginning, 11th of the 12th 2011. 17. We have already said in the introduction that what is rather big for it has credited the team of Stoke 6 points in the last 2 rounds, if we know that they've experienced even 4 defeats behind each other in the Premiership in front of that. They were eliminated, and to be more precise of Liverpool, also from the Carling Cup at this time. They have on the other hand around safeguarded the placing against the end in their debut season in the Europa League in the knockout phase. Therefore they are waiting for this duel completely eased now the trace which has responsible at them of the last 2 seasons. But of also coaches Palace is conscious that an extremely difficult task waits for it, therefore it has announced that it will give the opportunity to its players already confirmed. Under them these get recovered also Holby midfield players Pennant and Delap. Have the meeting missed, which with Overton by the way. A clever game to guest with 1-0 celebrated, and over here have the footballers of Stoke let themselves be seen their whole maturity once again there. You will therefore try also on Sunday to take on control in the midfield, while in the attack everything will depend on the mood of the long-standing member, Crouch, whom the experienced Walters most helps. In the meantime, the defender Wilkinson also has recovered, however, probably will stay at the bench. Team stands also much aside because at the interruptions Huth plays very well and is can. Expected list: Stoke, Sorensen, Huth, Shawcross, Woodgate, Wilson, Whelan, Delap, Pennant, Etherington, Walters, Crouch. Prey 365, 100% to €100 exclusive bonus. Award-winning bookmaker. A couple of rounds already analysed the situation behind each other with the team of Tottenham, though we only will repeat also this time that the charges of coach are in an unbelievably terrific form, talking only just. You have even 10 victories and only a draw in consequence, teams which has brought them the terrific 3rd place, and to be more precise with a meeting less than the others. You therefore are points sift to Manchester, leading delay behind it more at the moment City Centre, while the other team is in front from Manchester only around 2 points. They could make this up very fast in view of their terrific form. They have the work routinely back taken himself also in the last round against Bolton on a land of their own. You have won with 3-0, and to be more precise without the help the weak King and Van of the Viot, which was replaced by Gallas and Defoe excellently. This too therefore will get the opportunity from the first minute again, during which will quite certainly terrific Dutchmen go in the second part, and to be more precise in the case that the game does not take place as desired. But we doubt, like Adebayor, Modric, Bale and the others play, that lately coach will have to make to talking only just something like that. Not the injured inside defenders Dawson as well as midfield players Crunchcar and Huddleston are not still. Expected list: Tottenham, Friedel, Fuller, Gallas, Koppel, Assou-Ekotto, Lennon, Parker, Modric, Bale, Defoe, Adebayor. Since both teams are in very good form, we have decided to give the precedence this time anyway to the a little better guests who simply take everything apart lately, play no matter at home or to guest whether they